Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to our honorable guest of honor, facilitator, and research enthusiast participant. Welcome to your most desired workshop on Introduction to Structural Equation Modeling, SEM using SmartPLS 4.0. I am MD Ashikur Rahman, today's program host of গবেষক হতে চাই B Researcher BRBD platform from Bangladesh University of Business and Technology. It's my pleasure to host this important program. Before diving into the main program, I will introduce গবেষক হতে চাই B Researcher BD platform, its mission, vision, and activities. First, introduction. Introduction to গবেষক হতে চাই B Researcher BD. B Researcher BD is an online-based, non-profit open platform directed by some world-class scholars, tirelessly working to promote research, guide young researchers in Bangladesh. Its vision is to leverage research in higher educational institutes for sustainable development all over the world. This noble effort has been initiated by MD Sabir Hussain Sir, working as an assistant professor at the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, CSC, Engineering and Technology. Here, B Researcher BD, BRBD, this platform assists researchers by sharing research-related resources such as books, papers, websites, etc. It also conducts online, offline, free training courses, arranging seminars, workshops, or webinars. Research collaboration, supervision, arranging internship opportunities. Previously, this organization has conducted the country's first free online training on how to become a researcher. This course covers the basic concepts, tools, and techniques required to become a researcher from zero knowledge. The recorded lectures on YouTube received 72,000 plus views within 2 years only. Then we have conducted numerous course, training, webinars, seminars, workshops, etc. on research, paper writing, publication, then higher study issues. There are more than 500 lectures, tutorials available on BRBD YouTube channel. Today's workshop on Introduction to Structural Equation Modeling, SEM using SmartPLS 4.0 workshop has been organized in continuation of this. Let us know what you will get from this workshop. First, Introduction to Structural Equation Modeling, SEM, issues in SEM modeling, preparation before PLS-SEM, basic modeling with PLS, formative versus reflective measurement, measurement model assessment, reliability, convergent validity, discriminant validity, structural model assessment, mediating effect analysis, moderating effect analysis. At first, we had our guest of honor as Dr. Muhammad Nur Alam Sir. As Sir is scheduled in a religious purpose in Japan, that's why I would like to ask our new guest of honor, MD Monirul Islam, to say a few words about this workshop. But before this, I would like to introduce MD Monir Islam sir. MD Monir Islam is a doctoral student of University of Dhaka. He is currently working as librarian in Army Medical College, Chattogram. Earlier, he worked as library officer in Daffodil International University. Mr. Islam has accomplished his graduation and post-graduation degree in Information Science and Library Management from the University of Dhaka in 2011 and 2012. Subsequently, he has been awarded MPhil degree from the same university in 2019. He has 4 book chapters, 2 conference proceedings, 12 research articles published in national and international peer-reviewed journals and books. He presented research paper in different national and international seminar and workshop, as well as participated at international workshop and conference in India, Malaysia, getting funded grant. His research interests include the institutional repository, knowledge management, knowledge leadership, and quality education for ensuring SDG. Now, I want to uh, ask MD Munir Islam sir to say a few words about these workshops.